Hi, honeys. How's the day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is a Cosori Air Fryer unboxing, and it comes in white. Look at that. So I took it out of the outer box. They always package their products up nicely. Okay. So this is how the actual Cosori box looks. We got instructions all on the box, all around it. It's all good reading, good info, pretty pictures of what an air fryer can actually do. Okay, has a handle. It'll make lifting it out the other box easier. So I'm going to put this on the floor so I'll be able to lift the air fryer out of this box. Okay, pardon my back. Get this out of here. With all the packing material. Well, they always pack it up nicely. Turn it to the side. Make it easier for me. Okay. Should get everything out the box. Okay. I'll look at this later. Okay, y'all. There's this protective cover on the air fryer itself to protect the beautiful finish. This is pretty. So now, this is a 5.8 quart air fryer. So now they come in red, white, and black. And this white one is very, very pretty. Taking all this stuff off first. Nice brushed finish. It's not that shiny white. It's like a brushed finish. It's like the other air fryers have a brushed finish. I'm trying to undo this. Okay. How long is this cord? About a 3-foot cord. And it has this kind of plug on it. Polarized. This is wider than that prong. Okay, let's take all this tape off so we can open the drawer. Make it easy for you to pull the tape off. It's a real unboxing, y'all. Real time unboxing. Okay, it has these little things on here. It tells you before you get started, the instructions. It basically tells you to take all the stuff out the air fryer basket before you plug this in and turn it on. And there are instructions on the top of it also. tells you what to do, what not to do, and to read the instructions before using. Okay, let me show you how this looks. It has a vent in the back. So when you're using this, it's not supposed to be jammed right up against the wall. Pull it out some. What does it actually say? It says hot steam. I don't think my other air fryer says that. I don't recall seeing this. So there will be hot air blowing out of here. Okay. It has a handle where you can actually carry it. It's a handle on each side, just like this. Very convenient. Okay, let's open it. First glance, it has this little thing. I don't even know what you call this. Cover. So when you want to detach the basket from the drawer, you can just slide this and get to it. This little cover is over this button, so you don't accidentally push that while you're taking the drawer out. Okay. Set this aside and take the stuff out the inside. Okay, I always look inside and make sure nothing is up there, but there is a piece of cardboard along the track. Okay. Now let's look at the basket. Okay, let me see. Take that off. Take this out, the drawer. I call this part the drawer, and this is the fry basket. And you can buy a separate, you can buy a replaceable basket. If you have a large family and you know what you cook, you know, it won't be enough cooked in just this basket. You can buy a separate basket and have it ready and waiting with your food in it. So when you take this out, you put the other one right in here and continue your cooking while the air fryer is already heated up. Well packaged. So you can buy one of these separately. Okay. This is ready to go in here. Of course, always wash anything new you get to get all the factory dust and stuff off. Okay, this is the rack, and it has skewers, like for shish kebabs, so I don't even have to open that because y'all know what that looks like. It's a regular rack. I have quite a few of them around here. It allows for high and low cooking. You can turn it that way for a little higher cooking, turn it the other way for a little lower cooking. And it has the skewers that can fit on these things. I think it's about 5 skewers. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Okay, it comes with the user manual. So make sure you read it. This is your first time air frying or your first time using the Cosori Air Fryer. Read the instructions, because all air fryers, they work different. They cook about the same, but they work differently. And what I find different about this air fryer, the heating element is much lower in this one than in other air fryers. So I get good results with my air fried chicken. Okay, here's I think there's 100 recipes in here. It's the recipe book. Very nice, colorful pictures. These are recipes of things that you would actually fix. Some cookbooks got stuff that you know you never fix, but you would fix this, like fried chicken, chicken parmesan. You can do all this in the air fryer. Mustard roasted chicken thighs. Why did I just automatically turn to chicken? Coconut shrimp, Scotch egg. And it gives you the time and the settings to cook everything on. Avocado fries, Greek fries. Onion rings, blooming onion. Look at that. Yes, you can do this in the air fryer. Lemon pound cake. Blueberry lemon muffins. Look at that pound cake, y'all. Yes, you can fix a pound cake or any kind of cake in the air fryer. Just need the right size pan, whatever will fit in this basket. You can cook it. Okay, I will actually demonstrate how to cook with this a little later. So this is just my unboxing video. I'm just showing you that it now comes in white. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Beautiful finish. If you have an all-white kitchen or all-black kitchen, you want to pop a white in there, this is pretty. Very nice. Okay. So this is my unboxing review for the Cosori 5.8 quart white air fryer. So I want you to give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will put the link to this air fryer in my description box. Okay. Thanks for watching. You all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye. Have to get the thumbnail. Okay.